My turn, my turn, my turn, my turn. Oh, look at the kite. We only want our kite. We do not want to hurt you. Stop, Kite! Stop! The kite is flying too fast.
Who did this? Who broke my plants? Oh! You broke my plants.
The weather is so nice today. Oh, I want to fly the kite. Look! The kite is flying! Huh? The kite is very high. Anna, I want to turn now. I want 5 more minutes. My turn, my turn, my turn, my turn. Oh! Look at the kite! Oh no! The kite is stuck in the tree! Oh! Bill, pull the string back. The string is coming back. Oh! I only have the string. Look, Anna, our kite is flying away. Oh! Oh! We have to catch it! Stop, Kite! Stop! The kite is not stopping. The kite is in that tree. Hello? Is anyone home? Nobody is coming out. Should we go in and get the kite? We can get it. It will be okay. Let's get it quickly. Oh no, that dog looks very scary. Do not worry. We can walk slowly. We need to be very quiet. The dog is awake. Run! The dog is angry. Run! We only want our kite. We do not want to hurt you. The dog stopped chasing us. How can we get our kite now? That dog is too scary. We can wait for the owner. Okay, wait here. It is so hot today. We have waited for an hour, but they are still not home.
Are you waiting for this family?
We are waiting for the owner.
They went on a trip. They will be back in 3 days.
Oh, no. What can we do now? Oh, it feels so cool. Bill, look! The kite is flying. Run! We have to catch it. Stop, Kite! Stop! The kite is flying too fast. Oh, no. The kite is going into the market. We have to keep going. It is so crowded here. I cannot move. I cannot see the kite. Oh, no. We lost our kite. We really lost our kite. Look over there. It is our kite. I cannot reach the kite. I cannot reach it either. Look! There are some boxes. This box is very heavy. We can carry it together. We need one more box. I can get the kite now. I almost reach it. You can do it. I am holding the tail. Oh no! The tail broke! Ah! Bill, climb down quickly. Run! The kite is flying away. Stop, Kite! Stop! We have to keep running. Jump over the water! Oh no! My new shoes are all wet. We have to run through the field. We have to hurry. Oh my. My clothes are all dirty.
The kite is going to that house. The kite is falling!
Oh no! What was that sound? The kite broke the plants. Grandpa Peter is very angry. Oh no, I am scared. Anna, you go and get the kite. No, you go. I am scared too.
Who did this? Who broke my plants? Oh! You broke my plants. Why did you fly a kite here?
We are very sorry. We did not fly it here. We flew it in a big field. The wind took our kite away. The kite fell here. We are sorry.
Okay. I know you did not mean to do it, but you must clean this up.
Really? You will let us go? Can we have our kite back?
Yes. You can have it after you clean up.
We will clean everything. La 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 la, la 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 la. We finished cleaning.
Good job. You can take your kite.
Thank you. Let's go home, Anna. Oh. Oh no. The kite is torn. We cannot fly the kite tomorrow.
What happened? Why are you so sad?
The kite flew away and got torn. We cannot fly it anymore.
It is okay. Let me take a look. Do not worry. I can fix it.
Really? Thank you, Grandpa. Thank you, Grandpa.
Anna, Bill, come down here.
No.
Look, your kite is ready.
Wow.
It's fixed.
You are so good, Grandpa. Thank you so much, Grandpa. Let's fly our kite. Run, Bill. I have the string. The kite is going up. Look, It is flying high. We did it! Did you enjoy our story today? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe Play English TV channel. Bye-bye!